What if I told you that the thing you've been doing for 20 years, typing a password into a box, is about to become as outdated as a floppy disk? Every year, billions of passwords get leaked. You've probably been in a breach yourself and didn't even know it. And yet, we keep doing the same thing, picking a password, forgetting it, resetting it, picking a weaker one, and hoping for the best. But there's something new, something that Google, Apple, and Microsoft are all betting on to replace passwords entirely. They're called passkeys, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what they are, how they work under the hood, and why they might just save your digital life. Let's get into it. Before we talk about passkeys, let's understand why passwords are broken in the first place. Here's how passwords work today. You create an account on a website. You type in a password. The website takes that password, runs it through a hashing algorithm, and stores that hash in its database. When you log in again, the website hashes what you typed and compares it to what's stored. Match? You're in. Sounds fine, right? Here's the problem. First, you're human. You reuse passwords. Studies show over 60% of people use the same password across multiple accounts. So when one site gets breached, attackers take those leaked credentials and try them everywhere else. This is called credential stuffing, and it works shockingly well. Secondly, key search and phishing. Someone sends you a fake email that looks like it's from your bank. You click, type your password into a fake site, and now the attacker has it. Doesn't matter how strong your password is if you hand it directly to the bad guy. Third, even if the website hashes your password, if they do it poorly, weak algorithms, no salting, attackers can crack those hashes and get the original password. Passwords put the burden on you to be perfect. Don't reuse, don't fall for phishing. Hope every website stores your password correctly. That's a losing game. Alright, let's go one level deeper. If you're a developer or just curious about how things actually work, this section is for you. Passkeys are built on top of two web standards, WebAuthn and FIDO2. WebAuthn is the browser API that websites use to talk to your authenticator, which could be your phone, a USB security key, or your laptop itself. FIDO2 is the broader framework that ties it all together. Here's what happens when you register a passkey. Step 1, you click Create Account or Register Passkey on a website. The server generates a random challenge, just a bunch of random bytes. Step 2, your browser receives this challenge and hands it off to the authenticator. In this case, your device, the secure chip inside your phone or laptop. Step 3, your device asks you to verify yourself. This is where your fingerprint, your face, or your PIN comes in. This step proves to the device that you, the real person, are sitting there. Step 4, once you're verified, the device generates a brand new cryptographic key pair. The public key and the credential ID get sent back to the server. The server stores those. The private key locked inside your device. Now, here's what happens when you log in. The server sends a fresh challenge and your credential ID. Your device finds the matching private key, asks for your biometric, and then signs the challenge. The signed response, the signature, goes back to the server. And the server checks it against your public key. Valid signature, you're authenticated. Notice what didn't happen. No password crossed the wire. No shared secret exists. If an attacker breaches the server, all they get is public keys, which are useless without the private keys locked on your device. And here's the anti-phishing phishing magic. The signature your device creates is bound to the specific website domain. So even if a phishing site tricks you into clicking a link, your device will see that the domain doesn't match and refuse to sign the challenge. Passkeys are phishing resistant by design. Let's lay this out side by side so the difference really clicks. With passwords, you have to create something, remember it, type it in, hope you don't reuse it, and hope the server stores it safely. The server holds a version of your secret, which makes it a target. With passkeys, you don't remember anything. Your device handles everything. The server only has your public key, which is worthless to an attacker. Every passkey is unique to the site it was created for, so reuse is impossible. And because you never type anything, there's nothing for a keylogger or a phishing page to capture. The bottom line, passwords are a shared secret that can fail at any point in the chain. Passkeys eliminate the shared secret entirely. So if the private key stays on your device, where exactly is it? And what happens if you lose your phone? On an iPhone, passkeys are stored in iCloud keychain and protected by the secure enclave, a dedicated hardware chip that's physically isolated from the rest of the processor. Your private key is generated inside this chip, and cryptographic operations happen inside it. The key itself can't be extracted, not even by Apple. On Android, it's a similar story. Passkeys are managed by Google Password Manager and protected by the phone's hardware security module, like Google's Titan chip. Same principle, the private key lives in hardware level isolation. Now here's the sinking part. You don't want to create a new passkey for every device you own. So both Apple and Google sync your passkeys across your devices using end-to-end encryption. That means the encrypted keys travel through iCloud or Google's servers, but the servers can't decrypt them. Only your devices can. So if you set up a passkey on your iPhone, it shows up on your MacBook and iPad automatically. Same ecosystem, seamless access. What if you lose your phone because your passkeys are synced to your cloud account? You just sign into a new device with the same Apple or Google account and your passkeys come back. You can also use cross-device authentication, scanning a QR code on a trusted nearby device to log in temporarily. This is a point that confuses a lot of people, so let me be crystal clear. Your fingerprint or face is not the passkey. Your biometric doesn't get sent to the website. It's not stored on a server. It never leaves your device. Here's what actually happens. Your biometric is used to unlock the access to the private key on your device. Think of it as the gatekeeper. The secure enclave on your phone says, someone wants to use this private key. Prove you're the owner. You scan your face or your fingerprint. The secure enclave says, confirmed, you're the owner. And then it performs the cryptographic signing operation with the private key. So the chain is, the website trusts the signed response. The signed response was only possible because the private key was used. The private key was only unlocked because the biometric matched, and the biometric match happened entirely on your device, offline, local, private. This gives you two-factor security in a single gesture. Something you have, your device with the private key, and something you are, your fingerprint or face, combined without you ever thinking about it. No password to type, no code to wait for, just a glance or a touch. Let's bring it all together. Passkeys replace the weakest link in digital security, the password, with public key cryptography that keeps your secrets locked in hardware on your device. Nothing sensitive ever hits a server, nothing useful can be phished, and your biometric is just a local gatekeeper. It never leaves your phone. Google, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, PayPal, GitHub, they're all rolling out passkey support right now. The transition is happening, and now you understand not just what passkeys are, but how they actually work under the hood. Here's what I want you to do right now. Go to your Google account, your Apple ID, and any other service that supports passkeys and set one up. It takes 30 seconds, and you will never have to remember another password for that account again. If this video helped you understand passkeys, hit that like button and subscribe to Master Method IT for more breakdowns of the tech that's changing how we build and secure software. Drop a comment below. Have you set up a passkey yet? I want to hear about it. Until next time, stay secure, stay curious.